Expleo is a global technology company. We help other organizations with their digital transformation. So we have people who are software testers, software developers, project program managers, business analysts, and we work with large organizations like banks, insurance companies, retailers, telcos, and we've partnered with YES probably for the last 3 years.
Expleo is in partnership with the YES program, and as part of that, we've implemented what we call the Digital Skills Factory that literally takes young people, we train them and equip them with the skills required for the marketplace.
The kind of skills that we are trying to teach the YES grads that are part of the Digital Skills Factory is really the digital side, which we call all the technical skills, and the professional skills. Those have been teamwork, presentations, etiquette, problem solving. All of those things combined makes for a good consultant, and that's what we aiming to do with the YES program.
Before the YES program, I wasn't working, I was still indecisive. I did not know whether I should go back to school or look for a job. I remember while I was still in varsity, I would wonder what I would be doing at work. So this opportunity answered those questions as it gave me the exposure that I needed.
After joining Expleo and the YES program, there were a lot of opportunities that have opened for me because I was now able to conduct myself as a professional. I had an opportunity to work with numerous industry stakeholders and learn on how to grow as a professional, especially in this competitive world of IT.
Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to the YES program and Expleo for giving me the opportunity to take part in this program, but also for giving me the experience that they have. I believe that our mentors also play a vital role in ensuring that we become the best that we can be.
My message to Expleo and YES is one of thanks and gratitude. I'm really grateful for the opportunity that you guys have given me, and I urge you to give this opportunity to other youth because we are the future.
So for Expleo, we know we have been successful when people have completed the program. We know where they were when they started versus we can see the difference and where they ended up. Digital skills, that factory was created to supply our customers with juniors that have already been advanced a little bit more than what they would have been if they were employed straight out of university. Then the third one is for the YES candidates. So they are successful and they measure their success and are they advanced in their career and their prospects for going through this program with us.
It's fulfilling to see people in their journey being developed and creating employment. And that is probably the biggest, or one of the biggest challenges of the country right now, is the creation for employment. And so I think it just behooves every organization to be involved for that very specific reason about creating employment and creating employment opportunities. I think it's a socially responsible thing to do. It's a corporately fulfilling thing to do, financially from a BE perspective in terms of the points one achieves, and then also just in terms of being able to supplement your talent pipeline.